Hey knitters, for the majority of the hat you work one color on the inside and one color on the outside just for speed. But when it came to the crown I wanted to rejoin them. So it's really simple. Once you hit your start marker, most important thing is to bring your outside color to front. And then I always work the inside color first, just to order my stitches how I like them. So I knit one with the inside color, then I move the yarn for the outside color to back, knit one with the outside color, and move it to the front. Knit one with the inside color, and then move the outside color to back, knit one for the outside color, and then move the outside color to front. And it's a lot like double knitting, but you really want to make sure that you do not cross your yarn colors, and that's why you have the forward backwards motion, because unlike double knitting there are no purls. Every stitch is knit. So, and if you're really good with your yarn, you can probably strand one in one hand and one in the other, but that's not my skill set. So I do it the slow plotting method. It's just one stitch with one color, then the color in front goes back, knit one, and then you bring it back to the front so the yarns don't cross. So I'm at my marker, and that tells me it's time to double strand. So I have both strands in back, and move my marker over. And so I just go into both stitches, almost like a 3 needle bind off, and knit them together. And go into both stitches, and with both yarns held together, knit them together. Now I only do 2, and then it's back to the slow plotting method. And remember, bring your outside color yarn to front so you don't have your yarns crossing. And you knit one with the inside color, move the yarn to back, knit one with the outside color, move the yarn to front, etc. Knitters, with some practice, I was able to get both strands on my one finger without having to keep dropping the outside color yarn. So, as the previous video showed, you always start by bringing your outside color to front, and then you work one with your inside color, and then you bring it to back, and one with your outside color, and you bring it to front. Knit one with your inside color to back, knit one with your outside color, bring to front, and you know, if you have to drop the yarns, that's fine. It wasn't until the halfway through my second hat, and really till my third hat, that I really got used to and comfortable doing with the double layer knitting with one, stranding both in one finger. So, happy knitting, or should I say happy double layer knitting.